Parts of a plant. Lesson objective. After this lesson, students will be able to describe and identify the different parts of a plant. Let us know about the parts of a plant. Seeds. A seed is a part that can grow into a new plant. Most plants reproduce by seeds. Leaves. Leaves are flat and thin parts of the plant. It uses the sun to make its food. Most leaves are green in color. Roots. Roots are usually underground. It anchors the plant in the ground. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. Stem. The stem supports leaves and flowers. It allows food and water to go around the plant. Flower. The flower is considered the most attractive part of the plant. Fruit. Fruit is part of a flowering plant. It contains the seeds of the plant. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.